Welcome to this tutorial on how to see your purchase power on Klarna. Klarna is a popular payment service that allows you to shop now and pay later. Understanding your purchase power is essential to manage your finances effectively and make informed purchasing decisions. To start, log in to your Klarna account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, you will see your dashboard, which provides an overview of your account activity. Look for the Purchase Power section, which is usually displayed prominently on the dashboard. Your purchase power is the amount of money you have available to spend using Klarna. It is calculated based on your payment history, credit score, and other factors. To see your purchase power, click on the Purchase Power section, and you will be taken to a detailed page that shows your available spending limit. On this page, you will see a breakdown of your purchase power, including your total available limit, and any pending payments or outstanding balances. You will also see a list of your recent purchases and payments, which can help you track your spending and stay on top of your finances. It is essential to note that your purchase power may change over time based on your payment history and other factors. Making timely payments and keeping your account in good standing can help increase your purchase power, while late payments or missed payments can reduce it. To make the most of your purchase power, it is crucial to use it responsibly and make informed purchasing decisions. Make sure to only spend what you can afford to pay back, and avoid making purchases that may put you at risk of overspending or accumulating debt. In addition to checking your purchase power, you can also use the Klarna app to set spending limits, track your expenses, and receive notifications when you are approaching your spending limit. These tools can help you stay on top of your finances and make the most of your purchase power. In conclusion, seeing your purchase power on Klarna is a straightforward process that can help you manage your finances effectively. By following these steps and using the tools and features provided by Klarna, you can make informed purchasing decisions and stay on top of your spending. Remember to always use your purchase power responsibly and make timely payments to maintain a healthy credit score and increase your available spending limit.